So right when you walk in, it kind of feels a little...
Walls, walls, walls.
Yep.
Yes.
You walk right into a door.
Door, 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 door. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So we feel like we can maximize the kitchen by knocking down these cabinets.
And opening up that wall, the wall over there, that wall, just making it all open. So you just have a big island right here.
So I love the idea of opening up these walls, popping an island right here.
Yeah.
We can reconfigure the kitchen, and then we should definitely raise the soffit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll raise it so everything looks bigger. So the cabinets in the high desert, we usually just repurpose them.
These cabinets just won't work.
Josh and I want to make a very designer looking house. So
We were actually trying to do a green color this time.
You see green cabinets?
We
green
did.
cabinets.
We did.
Who takes care of design?
We both do.
We haven't done it yet. We don't know how it's gonna look. We've seen some pictures of what it will look like, but we're excited about trying it.
Do you have a picture
Yeah,
of the
check it out.
green? You know what, that could look good. So I think the green could actually work if it's the right green. Okay, so I mean, it is a pretty big project. Do you guys have a contractor for this house?
We have a handyman that we use out in the desert that luckily we're only an hour away, so he's willing to make the drive.
I mean, when it comes to flipping houses, your contractor is like the most important person in the project. So you need a good contractor, a fast contractor, a capable contractor. Like, do you feel you have that?
Absolutely.
He's definitely fast.
So who's managing the subs, doing the scheduling and all that stuff?
We are.
Josh
Both-
and I,
both of us.
we're going to be very hands-on.
The more hands-off you are with the actual project itself, the more focus you have on the business. Maybe look for a contractor that can completely manage the project for you so you can be more hands-off. So just some things to think about. What in the world is that room?
I don't know. I think it used to be a bowling alley back in the day. You know, it's funky.
It's a sunroom.
This is the sunroom.
It's a tiny sunroom. Any money in here, you're not gonna get a return. I mean, you have a 5 foot by 25 foot space. It's just really awkward. I would turn it into a patio.
It's a good idea.
So you could just walk right out into the backyard, into the pool.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that.
This may have been that fourth bedroom we were talking about. So
Ah.
Yep.
Yeah, this was the fourth
The
bedroom.
mystery fourth bedroom.
So this wall would pretty much continue. So you'd have a bedroom door right off your living room and dining room.
Correct.
and then actually our other option, besides adding the fourth bedroom, is that's the primary bedroom right there.
Okay.
What we're standing in could be an amazing bathroom with a huge shower, bathtub,
Ooh,
big
yeah.
vanity.
What do you think?
The cost to add a bedroom would be $1,000, $2,000. The cost to add a new bathroom of this size, you're probably looking 15, maybe even 20,000. You'd probably make more money with the bedroom. We're here to make money, right?
Let's make money.
Yeah.
So bedroom number 1 on the left,
This is a good sized bedroom.
new baseboard, new flooring, either carpet or laminates, maybe a ceiling fan.
I don't think you'd necessarily need a ceiling fan. You get a nice dome light, a lot cheaper.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ceiling
light.
fans are like $60 though.
Yeah, dome lights are like 20.
cool, savings.
All right, Tarek, we want to show you the floor samples.
All right, how many samples we got?
We got 3 samples. We got this one dark one. We got this herringbone one.
Ooh, I like that herringbone.
And we have this lighter one.
These are nice, guys. Okay, so right off the bat, I think this one's too dark. A little bit too Christmassy with our green cabinets. So, who chose this one?
So that's my option. It's $1.50 per square foot, and I think it'll look really well with our green cabinets.
So I like the size of the plank. I like the grain of the wood.
I think this is so sick.
So-
It's $220 a square foot. I want to do something a lot more designer, and I think this is just really, really cool. This is more basic.
So you want to get
not
out of
trying
your
to be basic in
I
this
get it.
house.
You want to get out of your comfort
It's
zone and
confusing.
push the envelope a little bit.
Exactly.
I don't like it. The flooring I chose is $800 less compared to the herringbone.
But with the herringbone, you're getting an amazing designer look.
You know, this herringbone, it just feels high end. It feels custom. I feel like if buyers walk in this house and they see this flooring, it's so bold, they're gonna feel like you guys spent money.
Would you say we have a better chance of getting a higher price with this one?
Much better chance. It
Okay.
feels like a high end floor.
It's 2 against 1, dude.
Okay, it's gonna be gorgeous.
We have made some progress on the primary bathroom.
All right, good news.
So you can see the shower has been expanded.
Okay, so we're gonna have full size shower. Oh, you did a big shampoo niche, toilet, vanity. It's gonna be like night and day better. What do you guys think for materials?
Well, to start, we actually are doing wallpaper in the primary bathroom. We have a couple options. This one I actually had extra from my laundry room.
Oh, so this is from your own
My own
house.
house,
I
yeah.
like that, so you know what it looks like.
Exactly. We were just trying to save money.
Okay, that looks pretty good. And
And this one I used in my pantry. Yeah.
this one's a wild one.
Yep.
All right, so this is option 2.
It's a pretty wallpaper.
I love it.
I like this wallpaper, but for this house, I think too busy. I say we go with the neutral one.
Okay.
The white will look very clean and modern.
So now let's figure out the material you guys want to use. You have the black and white tile. This one right here is real nice, but I just don't think the color goes. This one would work, but I don't like it.
Okay.
I think we gotta go with the gray. Love that for the shower walls.
We were gonna use this one for the shower floor.
Oh, inside the shower.
Inside the shower floor, yeah.
All right, so here's my concern with that. So inside the shower, typically when you put tile in showers, you need grip for your feet, and this has no grip because the pieces are so big. So it's real slippery. I would find a small white version of this, similar to this one right here.
Okay.
And then it'll be in the shampoo niche matching.
Yeah, it works for us.
Good job today. I can't wait to see when it's done. So give me a call if you have any questions.
These are nice.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey.
Today, we're shopping for countertops. And the guys are bringing a green cabinet door to make sure we find the right countertop to match. They should want this to be the best kitchen that they've ever done. I think for this house, if we go slab, it's just gonna be too expensive. So prefab, we have this area right here, and we have this area over here. So this looks like it's just a straight pure white. You wanna hold the cabinet next to that, get an idea?
Yeah, you can't go wrong with white and green.
So this is a little too boring for me because it doesn't have any design aspects.
So like, what stands out to you guys? Talk to me. 'Cause,
love
like,
this one.
Let me see that. Man, that actually works really, really well with the green.
I do like this one.
I think this marble would look beautiful.
I do not want to do marble.
You just said you like this one.
He didn't know it was marble.
Okay. I personally think you're doing the buyer a disservice by putting in marble because if something spills on it, so many things can go wrong.
All right, we better keep looking.
What about that one?
The backsplash will look kind of out of place, and I think the backsplash should mesh with the countertops.
Backsplash is white though. White matches with everything.
That one has a cool design, but I'm afraid it's gonna be too busy for our kitchen. I actually don't like this. I don't like it personally, no.
You said you didn't want too much white with the backsplash, and then you say that you don't want gray and white together. So what do you want?
What do you guys think about this one?
That's nice.
Not my cup of tea.
All right, Jonathan.
Not my
Making
cup of
this
tea.
very difficult. Jonathan, you're the one who wanted to bring in Tarek for all this advice. Why are you questioning all his choices?
We have one opportunity. It has to be on point.
Sometimes if we find one we like in a full-size piece, they'll have a prefab. This is a great.
So nice.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Really, really stands out, but I don't know if they're gonna have this one in prefab.
It has the veins and it adds some color, not just the white.
The store is checking to see if they have the same countertop in prefab, so I hope we get lucky. First impressions?
Wow.
Yeah?
That's perfect.
That's our
That's
winner.
exactly what we were looking for.
I like it a lot.
Oh, that looks good.
And it's quartz, so you happy with it?
Yes.
Okay, well, I know we looked through every single slab in the yard, but we found a winner. All right, so how are the bathrooms coming out?
I like them.
All right, I like the wall tile, but you know, I see that we have the old original bathtub.
So there's nothing wrong with a bathtub. All we have to do is scrub the flowers off and paint it, and it'll look brand new.
Okay, so you're talking about reglazing the tub.
Reglazing a tub.
It's like $450, and it still only lasts about a year. In the past, I used to reglaze bathtubs. I'd sell the house. A month or two later, I would always get calls from the buyer saying that it's peeling, it's going in the drain. So really early on, I learned not to reglaze bathtubs. You guys spent all this money to make the shower nice. You guys put the tile in. For a few $100 more, so you don't have to deal with headaches later, next time I would put in a new bathtub.
Okay.
I wanna see the primary.
Okay.
Wow, look at all those closet doors. All right, so
You don't look happy.
you guys know this. These are real cheap closets. This works in the high desert. You can put this in the high desert. LA, not so much. I'd rip all of these out and put in mirror doors. The room is gonna feel twice the size. How did our bathroom come out? That's what I'm dying to see.
Check it
Oh,
out.
I love the vanity, the wallpaper. Uh-oh, what's going on with our light? I mean, it looks really, really beautiful, but what happened here? We got the light over here, and it should be right here. Your guy put the light in the wrong spot.
Yes. You know, it's over the wallpaper, so now we're gonna have another seam
We're
in
gonna
the
have a new
wallpaper.
seam.
We gotta move this over. They're gonna have to repair the wallpaper. It's gonna be a big headache. Hopefully they can do it.
part
Well,
of
this
it.
is a lesson learned about efficiencies, right? If you were flipping 10 houses and they were all running like this, you would 100% be losing money because of all the mistakes and all the lost time. So again, that's why we really need to fix your team. All right, guys, looks like we have our first group coming up the driveway.
And then when you
Just pop these in so we get to spy on the buyers.
have fun.
This is like my favorite type of color of blue. Like the
Yeah,
dark.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yay!
This is good news so far.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Wow.
So, wow.
This is a massive island.
yeah, you know, I like that.
I think it's quartz.
The floor is stunning.
I like the color.
Loves the
go.
cabinet color. Let's see if they notice the height, though.
The color's nice. The one thing for me is this microwave is high. Kids that are shorter, like how are they gonna reach that?
Right.
Well, I don't know, Josh. I think we found your buyer under 5 feet tall because she can't reach anything.
Microwave's a little high up for
can
some
make-
short people.
Oh no, we're gonna have to get her a booster set.
yeah. Just talking about the beams.
The post kind of limited a little bit.
Huh.
These beams, like, this just feels like it's like in the way. Like it makes this spot awkward. Like, what do you put here?
That's true.
That's what I said. All right, they're going in the backyard. Let's see what they think.
I love the pool.
And the way that they did this with the tile, they kind of gave it a really
Outdoor,
cool
right?
look.
That's really ugly. That's really ugly. What?
What's ugly?
Oh, the pool equipment.
Oh yeah, it is. It is ugly.
Yeah,
Wait,
you,
where?
you guys were supposed to build a little fence.
We didn't have time. We wanted to get it listed.
Okay, next time.
Let's see how they like the bedrooms. They haven't been to any of the bedrooms.
Wow.
You get a good view of the pool.
You could have the sliding
Which is
door
cool.
open.
This is nice. It's kind of like an office setup.
Yeah.
This is a nice bedroom. Any of our friends would love to stay in this room.
Yeah, and then one day.
And then one day what?
One day, look at one day what? Let's hear it.
What were you gonna say?
Nothing.
One day kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
The kids,
Okay.
yeah.
Look at him. Look,
He's walking in the closet.
I'm gonna go
Change
into
the topic.
closet.
Okay, this is nice.
I'm actually liking this.
Yeah.
This is really nice.
I love a tub, but I don't know about this tub.
Why?
Because do you see, like, it's kind of weird. I think they were trying to go for something more Art Deco-y, or I don't know what.
You wanna know why it's kind of weird? It's 40 years old. You have so much space.
Plenty of closet space.
You have two.
I think you have
Three.
You have 3. Okay.
We're not gonna have to fight for closet space.
I'm not gonna say it, but you guys might have been right on the closets. I'm just not gonna say
Just
it.
don't say it.
I'll never
Okay.
admit.
I will never
I'll never
admit
admit. All right, go look at that bathroom.
The sink is beautiful. The mirror is on point. The light, I love it.
I'm not a huge fan of this wallpaper.
The wallpaper.
I'm surprised.
Come on now.
That's your kind of shower. I really love those tiles.
Feels good too. Just rub your hand on it. It's like you feel like kind of like it's lumpy and humpy.
This is one of my top options for sure.
I think you're getting a lot for your value.
It has potential. It definitely has potential, and I mean, let's think about it.
Okay, we'll think about it.
There would be things that would need to be changed, but I could really see us in here.
Yeah.
So this is where we get to talk about it. How are you guys feeling?
I'm feeling it better. They like the color schemes. They like the design.
It was a jump to come to LA County and move up price points and flip a more expensive house, right?
Absolutely.
But I think aesthetics-wise, your design style will do amazing in LA.
We're definitely ready, and I think we can do this in any market, and think we need a licensed contractor, so we don't have to be as hands-on.
And I really think you guys are gonna find big success.
We're so happy and
Team Torque.
lucky to have you.
All right, guys. So the last thing we need to do is just sell this house.
Absolutely. We'll keep you posted.
Awesome.